let's get to meet these girls. Kasama natin si Ariana Lapage. She is the goalkeeper for the group. Si Ariana Baina Lapage, she's a 13-year-old honor student at Rancho Santa Margarita Junior High, and she plays striker and right wing for West Coast Football Club, 03 ECNL. She was the starting goalkeeper for the Philippine Under-14 girls national team for 3 out of the 5 matches at the AFC Under-14 regional tournament, including the semifinals and the finals. Kasama natin siya ngayong araw na ito. And kasama rin natin, we have Gabriela Colados, or Gabby, she's called. She is one of the U14 defenders. Gabby Colados is a 13-year-old 8th grade at Palos Verdes Intermediate School and was a starting defender for the U14 Philippine Women Nationals team. She plays for Arsenal FC 03 ECNL and was selected for a second year in Cal South's Olympic Development Program for her age group. Wow, these girls are serious when it comes to soccer, or as some people call it, football. Girls, welcome to Kababayan Today.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, it's so amazing to be amongst these young athletes that are Filipino-American, that are really bringing pride to the Philippines. I wanted to talk to you guys personally because I want to see how the experience was like, first of all, going to the Philippines. Gabby, can you tell me, was this your first time going to the Philippines?
Yes, this was my first time going to the Philippines.
And how was that?
It was really exciting going there. The weather was quite different than it is here, but I really enjoyed it.
Okay, and what about you? How was the Philippines like? Was this your first time too?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, and how was the camp like? Like, talk us through sort of the process of going to this camp.
So first we go to the tryouts in Manila, and then from there they choose out of the open pool the top 30 to go into the training camp in UPLB. And after the first 2 weeks, like, they gave us 1 week to adjust to how it is there, and then the next week they would have a cutoff.
And you guys made the cutoff. Not only did you make the cutoff, you actually competed and represented the Philippines. Gabby, how does that feel like to represent your mom's heritage?
It's an honor to represent the Philippines, and I'm really proud of myself and my other Philams that were with us.
Okay, so let's talk about being a young Philam here in America. What does that mean for you, to be a young Philam and really competing and bringing pride to the Philippines? Ariana? It's a hard question, I know,
Yeah.
right? Because, I mean, how old are you? You're
13.
You're only 13 years old, and you've got all this pressure, right? You're going, you're competing, you have to work hard. In essence, it's just play, but not really.
Yeah.
Is there a lot of pressure for a 13-year-old to compete?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
for most of the time, my mom, I had like none of my close family with me there.
Okay,
And
so was your mom with you?
No, only for the first week.
Oh, and then it was just you. Did you feel like a grown-up in a lot of ways?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, and what about you, Gabby? How was it like for you being there in the Philippines and with other girls that are just like you know, working hard, proud of who they are as Philams? How was that like?
Even though you're halfway across the world, you feel at home with the other Filipinos, the locals, and the other Philams. And the hardest thing there is the homesickness, but the girls make you feel better if you're feeling down.
Okay, so I'm sure that all of you guys became really good friends while you were there, right?
Yeah.
What's the one thing all of you have in common? Gabby?
Well, we all play soccer, and I think at home we all had Filipino food, and when we were at training camp, we all ate Filipino food, so.
Yeah, so it's a lot of Filipino food, right? Okay, so when you were competing in Laos, let's talk about how that experience was for all of you. Walking away, even though you didn't win, how does it feel like being able to say that, yes, I competed and I represented the Philippines? Ariana?
Felt like a really great accomplishment for all of us, I would think, because I mean, it's a first time, and we're actually playing nationally against other countries, and representing our country. So,
yes, but you're only 13. I mean, that's what's so great about this story is the fact that you guys are so young, but you're working so hard. What is the driving force to really be good at what you do? Because as a 13-year-old, I remember when I was a 13-year-old, I didn't really have a goal. I was just hanging out, you know? But at such a young age, all of you are very accomplished already. Gabby, what is the driving force behind, you know, really wanting to be the best?
I think for me, my driving force is my love for soccer, and I'm naturally really competitive, so I wanted to get on the starting 11 for the Philippine national team.
Okay, well, we're so proud of all that you've accomplished, and we can't wait to see your entire journey as you get older. We celebrate you as young Filipino Americans. For other Philams, you guys need someone to look up to. These are the girls who are really putting their all, giving their heart and soul out there on the field. Thank you so much for being here, guys. All right, when we return, we're going to get to meet two other girls that competed with them in Laos representing the Philippines. We'll be right back.
For past shows of Kababayan Today, please go online to